Low back pain is incredibly common. It's something that almost everyone will experience at some point in their lives. Whether it's a dull ache or a sharp stabbing sensation, back pain can be debilitating and affect our daily activities. It affects millions of people worldwide. From office workers to athletes, no one is immune. The causes can be varied, ranging from poor posture, lack of exercise, to more serious conditions like herniated discs or arthritis. Many people believe that rest is the answer. They think that by lying down and avoiding movement, they can let their back heal on its own. This belief is deeply ingrained in our culture, and it's easy to see why. When we're in pain, our natural instinct is to rest. They avoid activity, hoping the pain will disappear. The fear of making the pain worse can be paralyzing. So they stay away from physical activities, thinking that this will protect their back. But often this does the opposite. Prolonged inactivity can lead to muscle weakness and stiffness, which can exacerbate the pain. The longer we stay inactive, the harder it becomes to get moving again. It can make the pain worse in the long run. Inactivity can lead to a vicious cycle where the pain leads to more inactivity, which in turn leads to more pain. Breaking this cycle is crucial for recovery. Instead of falling into the trap of inactivity, we need to understand how to treat our backs right. Gentle exercises and stretches can help maintain flexibility and strength. It's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity of the exercises. This means understanding what not to do and learning what actually helps. Educating ourselves about back health is the first step. Consulting with healthcare professionals, such as physical therapists, can provide personalized guidance and support. This isn't about quick fixes or miracle cures. Many products on the market promise instant relief, but they often fail to address the root cause of the pain. It's important to be skeptical of these claims and focus on long-term solutions. It's about making sustainable changes for a healthier back. This includes maintaining good posture, staying active, and incorporating back-strengthening exercises into our routine. By making these changes, we can reduce the risk of future back pain and improve our overall quality of life. Our bodies are designed to move. They thrive on movement. When we rest for too long, our muscles weaken, our spines stiffen. This can actually increase pain and slow down healing. While some rest is good in the initial stages of an injury, prolonged rest can be detrimental. Instead of prolonged bed rest, focus on gradually reintroducing movement. Start with gentle activities like walking. Slowly increase the intensity and duration as your back allows. This helps to improve blood flow, reduce stiffness, and strengthen your back. We've all heard about good posture, sitting up straight, shoulders back. But the truth is, there's no single perfect posture for everyone. What matters more is avoiding staying in the same position for too long. Our bodies are designed for variety and movement. Holding any posture, even a good one, for extended periods can lead to stiffness and pain. The key is to move regularly. Take breaks to stand up, stretch, and change positions throughout the day. This keeps your muscles active and your spine mobile. Stretching is often touted as a cure-all for back pain. While it can be beneficial for some, it's not always the answer. In fact, certain stretches can actually aggravate back pain. This is especially true if you're dealing with a disc injury or nerve irritation. Instead of blindly following generic stretching routines, focus on exercises that strengthen your core. A strong core provides stability and support for your spine, which can alleviate pain. Consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine which exercises are appropriate for your specific condition. Section 5. Building a strong foundation, the core. The core is often referred to as the powerhouse of the body, and for good reason. It is the central link in a chain connecting your upper and lower body. Whether you're hitting a tennis ball, mopping the floor, or just standing still, the necessary motions either originate in your core or move through it. Your core muscles act like an internal corset, supporting your spine. They include not just your abdominal muscles, but also muscles in your back, hips, and pelvis. These muscles work in harmony to stabilize your body, maintain balance, and provide strength for various movements. When these muscles are weak, your spine takes on more stress, increasing the risk of pain. Weak core muscles can lead to poor posture, lower back pain, and muscle injuries. This is because your spine and pelvis are not adequately supported, causing them to bear more weight and pressure than they should. Building a strong core is essential for a healthy back. A strong core helps you perform everyday activities with ease and reduces the risk of injuries. It also improves your posture, balance, and stability, which are crucial for both athletic performance and daily life. But it's not just about sit-ups and crunches. While these exercises can help, they only target a few muscles in your core. To truly strengthen your core, you need to engage all the muscles that surround your trunk. Effective core exercises engage all the muscles that surround your trunk, including your deep abdominal muscles, which are often overlooked. These muscles are crucial for providing stability and support to your spine and pelvis, back muscles and pelvic floor muscles. Exercises like planks, bird dog and side planks are great for strengthening your core safely and effectively. These exercises not only target your superficial muscles but also engage your deep core muscles, providing a comprehensive workout. Incorporating a variety of core exercises into your fitness routine can help you build a strong, stable and resilient core. Remember, a strong core is the foundation of a healthy body. It supports your spine, improves your posture, and enhances your overall physical performance. So, take the time to strengthen your core and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, more active lifestyle. Section 6. Moving right for your back. Everyday movements like lifting groceries or bending over can put stress on your back. Learning how to move correctly can protect your spine and prevent pain. This means using proper lifting techniques, avoiding twisting motions, and engaging your core. Practice these techniques consistently, even during simple tasks. Pay attention to your body mechanics throughout the day. This mindfulness can help you avoid unnecessary strain on your back and reduce the risk of injury. Section 7. Finding your pain triggers. Understanding what causes your back pain is a crucial step in managing and eventually alleviating it. This section will guide you through the process of identifying those specific triggers that might be contributing to your discomfort. Everyone's back pain is different. What might be a minor inconvenience for one person could be a significant issue for another. This diversity in experiences means that a one-size-fits-all approach to managing back pain is rarely effective. What triggers pain for one person may not affect another. For instance, lifting a heavy object might cause severe pain for someone with a herniated disc, while another person might experience pain from sitting for extended periods. It's important to identify your personal pain triggers so you can avoid them. This self-awareness can significantly improve your quality of life by helping you make informed decisions about your daily activities. This could be certain activities, postures, or even stress. Poor posture while sitting at a desk, lifting heavy objects with improper form, or even high levels of stress can all contribute to back pain. Recognizing these factors is the first step towards managing them. Keep a pain journal to track your activities and pain levels. Documenting your daily routines and noting when you experience pain can provide valuable insights. This journal will serve as a personal record that you can refer to when trying to identify patterns. Note what you were doing before the pain started, how intense it was, and how long it lasted. Be as detailed as possible. Include information about your physical activities, your posture, and even your emotional state at the time. This can help you identify patterns and pinpoint your triggers. Over time, you may notice that certain activities consistently lead to pain while others do not. This information is invaluable for making adjustments to your lifestyle. Once you know your triggers, you can modify your activities or environment to avoid them. For example, if you notice that sitting for long periods causes pain, you might invest in an ergonomic chair or take regular breaks to stretch. If stress is a trigger, consider incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine. Incorporating activities like yoga, meditation, or light exercises can also help manage and reduce back pain. These activities not only improve physical health, but also help in reducing stress, which can be a significant contributor to back pain. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Consulting with a physical therapist or a healthcare provider can provide you with tailored advice and treatment options. They can help you develop a comprehensive plan to manage your back pain effectively. By taking these steps to identify and manage your pain triggers, you can significantly improve your quality of life. You'll be able to enjoy your daily activities with less discomfort and more confidence. Remember, the key to managing back pain is understanding your body and its responses. Keep journaling, stay observant, and make the necessary adjustments to your lifestyle. Your journey to a pain-free life starts with these small, mindful steps. Section 8. Seeking expert help. If you're struggling with persistent back pain, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A qualified healthcare practitioner, such as a doctor, physical therapist, or chiropractor, can assess your condition, diagnose the root cause of your pain, and create a personalized treatment plan. They can also provide guidance on appropriate exercises, manual therapy techniques, and lifestyle modifications to manage your pain effectively. Remember, you don't have to suffer in silence. Seeking professional help can make a world of difference in your journey to a pain-free back. Section 9. Your back, your responsibility. Ultimately, taking care of your back is your responsibility. By understanding the common mistakes that aggravate back pain and adopting evidence-based strategies for managing it, you can regain control over your back health. Remember, building a healthy back is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent with your efforts, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it.